Although it's unclear who first called this magnificent piece the heroic Polonaise, perhaps George Sand, perhaps Chopin's pupils, the name endured. And for good reason. The music is a dance of spirit, nobility, and unshakable vigor. It stands among Chopin's boldest and most iconic statements, world-renowned and often regarded as a second anthem for Poland. The opening chords aren't just powerful, they're majestic. Imagine a grand procession, a royal summons. Clarity of voicing is essential. Each accent must be sculpted with precision and purpose. Imagine to see it from a bird's eye view. Every layer must serve to build up. Never forced, led with dignity, let the inner fire emerge into the main theme. Let the bass ground the architecture, while the scales and chords rise like pillars in a grand ascent. This piece is about propulsion, but never stiffness. The dotted rhythms of the repeating main theme must pulse like a proud heartbeat in fine rubato. Use your left hand like an engine, consistent, grounded with nice tone and pedal use. Let the right hand dance with freedom above. But never abandon the rhythmic spine. Even if the hands momentarily drift apart in order to make it natural, always return to unity with grace and dignity. Let your sound be warm and round. And then the middle part. A passage everyone waits for. A beautiful idea of flow and drive, with elegant flair and storm climax. Heroic spirit in motion, galloping forward, daring, unstoppable. But don't let it become noise. Keep your arm relaxed, your sound clean. It should roar, but with elegance, not chaos. The transition to the beautiful melody following the octaves must feel like an amazing landscape morphing into existence in front of you. Always keeping dignity and forward motion. The ending is no sprint, it's a coronation. Let the tension rise organically, guided by nobility and emotional grandeur. Shape the final phrases as a triumph, not an outburst. End not with mere volume, but with authority and elegance. The A-flat Polonaise is so much more than a showpiece, to which it's often degraded. It's a declaration, bold, proud, unforgettable. If you master both its fire and its finesse, you won't just play it. You'll feel the majestic flair this music radiates. Beneath the octaves, fanfares, and heroic outbursts lies a powerful structure, constantly striving upward with dignity and persistence. Even its moments of lyricism are never sentimental. They are earned, radiant, and always return to strength. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon, and have an amazing day.